All right, we are now on a Windows computer, and as you can see here, I've got Notepad++ opened up, another text editing program. Over here on the right, I've got Command Prompt on the bottom left, and I just opened that by going to the Windows icon and typing Command Prompt and clicking on that. And then I've got my file browser up here in the top left in this My Scripts location. So let's create a new file and show you how to do this in Windows, very similar to Mac. And let's just make it a little bit more interesting. Let's say my name is Joseph. Favorite color equals blue. And we learned about F strings, so let's do an F string. F. My name is my name. And let's do another one. I'm spanning these across multiple lines because I have my text quite large to make it easier for you to see. My favorite color is favorite color. Let's just autocomplete that. We got to scroll a little bit here. Okay. Now let's save it. File, save as. We've got this My Scripts location, new script. Remember .py for that extension. .py, save. Okay, and then because we have that .py extension, our text editor, like many, recognizes its Python code and it colorizes it appropriately. So we see that new script popped up here. Now in Command Prompt, I need to navigate to Desktop and My Scripts, the My Scripts folder. Remember, we need to execute our scripts from the same directory where they are located. Let's do CD. That's the same on a Mac, same on a Linux. CD, change directory, and then the location of our directory from where we are currently located or the absolute path. If you have questions on that or want a refresher on navigating in Command Prompt or Terminal, a quick Google search will yield all the results you need. I promise you that. So just a few basic commands that we need to know to run Python scripts. That's it. So let's cd desktop, my scripts. Okay. In Windows, we can type the dir command to see what is in our location. And we see new script is indeed in our same location where our command prompt is at right now. So then we can type Python new script.py. That's the name of our script. Hit enter. There we go. My name is Joseph. My favorite color is blue. So I hope that helps you guys get up and running with writing code in text editors with Python and saving files. You can work on them later, and we can execute the Python scripts from Command Prompt or a terminal. All right, we'll see you in the next lecture.